do, does, did quiz. Firstly, we talk about the rules. Do uses in present simple tense. Subjects are you, we, they. And does present simple he, she, it uses with. Did past simple use for all subject. Are you, he, she, it, we, they. First question. Subject I use with do and did. Our sentence every day, present simple, daily habit, daily routine. So answer is A, do. I do exercise every day. Second question. He subject uses does and did. Our sentence every day, present simple. So answer is B, does. He does exercise every day. Another question, subject he uses with does and did. Sentence yesterday, talk about the past simple. So answer C, he did exercise yesterday. Another question is question forms. Subject you uses with do and did. Our sentence is present simple, so answer is A. Do you like coffee? Subject is she. She uses does or did. Our sentence on Sundays, present simple, so answer is B. She does not play tennis on Sunday. Subject Tom. Tom, subject he uses does and did. Our center yesterday, simple past tense. So answer is C, did. Did Tom visit his grandfather yesterdays? Subject they uses do and did. Our sentence on Sunday, present simple. So answer A, do. They don't work on Sundays. Another question, subject Sarah, she uses with does or did. Our sentence every morning, present simple. So answer B, Sarah does her homework every evening. Subject they uses do and did. Our sentence last night, simple past tense. So answer is C, did. Did they watch the movie last night? Subject I uses do and did. Our question sentence is simple present tense. So answer A, do. I don't understand this question. Subject he uses with does or did. Our sentence present simple. He does not like spicy food. Subject your friend or he or she. He or she uses with does or did. Our sentence every weekend present simple. So answer B. Does your friend play football every weekend? Subject we uses do and did. Our sentence yesterday simple past tense. So answer C. We did our shopping yesterday. Subject she uses does and did. Sentence simple past tense last week. So answer C. Did she call you last week? Subject we uses do and did. Sentence is simple present tense. So answer A. Do we need more water? Subject is it. It uses does or did. Our sentence very often, simple present tense. Answer B. It doesn't rain very often here. Subject is you. You uses with do and did. Sentence simple past tense yesterday. So answer is C. Did you see Sarah yesterday? Subject I. I uses do and did. Everyday simple present tense. Answer is A. I do my homework every day. Subject is she. She uses does or did. Our sentence is simple present tense. So answer B. Does. She does not like milk. Subject you. You uses with do and did. Sentence yesterday. So simple past tense. Answer is C. Where did you go yesterday? Subject they. They uses do and did. Our sentence simple present tense. Answer is A. Do they live in a big house? My mother subject she. She uses does or did. Our sentence on Saturdays simple present tense. Answer B. My mother always does the shopping on Saturdays. Subject cats plural or they. They uses do and did. Sentence is simple present tense. Answer is A. Cats don't like water. Subject she. She uses does and did. Our sentence last night simple past tense. So answer is C. What did she buy at the shop last night? My father he uses does and did. Our sentence last week simple past tense. Answer is C. My father didn't wash his car last week. End of the quiz. Let's see you next day another quiz. Good luck.